Hello YouTube, today we are playing Royal High. So as you know, there's a few glitches that you can do with the hair, and I'll be showing you some things related to the hair today. So, there's a way to get glowing hair. First, what you need to do if you don't have the game pass already is go to Get Diamonds, Game Passes, and you can get Specialty Hair Color Pass. It's only about 50 Robux, so it's relatively cheap, and you could use it to customize your hair basically. So I think they have the glowing hair under almost every category. So anything that says highlights or is uniform is glowing. As you can see, this hair glows. And if you go to red, you'll find some glowing hairs too. So there is anything with highlights is glowing basically. So red and pink highlights, and the multiple color ones too glow. They're not as bright, but yeah. Overall, this game pass is really good because you get more colorful hair. There's one that's really bright. It's this one. It is the brightest. It literally glows. Then unicorn highlights, and well, this one is the brightest out of all of them. You may know that when you fall asleep in Royal High, your hair gets all messed up like this. I'll be showing you how to fix it because no one wants their hair looking like that. Especially if they have to go to school in the morning. So you need to go to the bathroom, or what the school calls porcelain thrones. Then oh yeah, the dryer relates to what I was gonna do. Okay, so you need to go into the one of the showers. Lock the door, obviously. You don't want anyone coming in.
But I want somebody coming in.
Then turn on the water. And put shampoo and conditioner in your hair like a normal person.
Shampoo and conditioner at the same time?
No, not at the same time. Oh yeah, and don't forget to change your character out of whatever they were wearing to sleep. Yeah, and after shampooing your hair, it should go away. Now, don't do this in real life. But, oh yeah, electrocute yourself in the shower. Just take out the hairdryer and turn it on. And so, basically, how you are Thomas the Tank Engine with no limbs.
Kill yourself.
No. Okay, now you just need to change your avatar to make them look good. Because no one wants to look like Thomas the Tank Engine without any limbs.
Wait a minute, if I don't have limbs, how am I gonna get myself?
That we did today. Okay, this is my outfit for today. Later on, in a while, I will, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some tactics to help you win Supreme Royalty in the ball. Stay tuned to figure out what you're supposed to do. So, if you continued watching to figure out how to almost always win the Royal High Ball, well, today you'll figure it out. So basically, since the Royal Ball gives you 500 diamonds every time, it's always good to try and want to aim to be able to do that. Or to, like, go for it. So, here is a few tips and tricks. So, what you should do is make your character look like you literally just started playing the game. Don't use any of your game passes. That will make them more likely to vote you because sometimes people are more likely to vote players who have recently just started playing. And so what you need to do is also be really nice to people, like walk up to them and compliment them. So doing this will make them like you a bit more.
And make you more willing, and make them more willing to vote for you?
Yeah.
Do you have to change your name so they know you're not a regular?
Okay, if people don't say this person just said the to me. Okay then.
You just go, oh that.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is go to a different game. In the original Royal High, the dances actually give you more money. Did you know that?
No, thanks for telling me.
So if you go to the dances there, you're more likely to get more money than you do in the original in the current Royal High. So that's another place where you should go. But I will also return to the actual dances. Shoot. Oh my god, why do I keep going in the wrong servers? So, basically, I will compare the two balls to see if you do better. Now, the original Royal High actually has limbo, and if you do good during the limbo, you get a lot of gems or diamonds. So, that's just another advantage from going there. So, yeah, I'm going to be showing you what the dance there is like. And then I'll be showing you the current dance.
Is it going to be the...
People know Royal High as what it used to be. Well, not as what it used to be, but as it currently is today. But a lot of you haven't played the original version. So, I like this version a bit better because I just like it more. And so, it has a lot of cool features that the current game doesn't even have. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the school. You see, they even have like a drama theater, so it gives you even more chances to roleplay. And it overall was more fun. So this is the theater room. A lot of people still play it though, but not as many. And I think the Sky Tower's up here somewhere. Oh yeah, if you go up here, I think there's something cool. I don't remember. That leads outside of the school. And I'm even going to show you the dorms that they have that we don't have in the current school. I think their dorms are so much cooler. So, you actually get a key instead of the doors randomly opening. Sure, it may be a bit smaller and you can't customize as much, but they are a much cuter, well, nicer design. And you have a wider field, so there's you actually have a field, so you could pretend to be cheerleaders and stuff there for no reason whatsoever. And this game is just, it's a lot more fun. I keep saying the same thing over and over again, but this video is getting kind of long, so I will continue when the ball begins. Not to mention the bakery. It looks a lot similar to the current bakery, obviously. So let's go inside. It's the exact same bakery. I'm really happy they kept them to be the same. Let's see if you still need to pay to bake. Yep, you still have to. So, we're now at the dance now, obviously. So, we're gonna go under the window. It's really hard. Those girls literally think this is special. But, like, seriously. I'm not gonna vote for any of these people. So, you can get a lot of money from this game. And just that sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, I can't go under, but you do get a lot of money from this game. Well, I think it's cool how you can do a bit more at the dance. So, then we're gonna go to an actual dance. You get 25 diamonds every time you do the limbo. It usually works, but I guess well, yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to compare this one to the actual ball. So the Royal Ball is about to start, and I'm going to give you some advice. Excuse me. You should have something like taped up, for example, what I wrote. Like saying it'll be a tough choice when you go to vote, blah blah blah. And people are going to be, yeah, people, well, my strategy is to not vote for anyone. A lot of people don't do that. But if you don't vote for anyone, then you don't increase their likeliness, so you get a better chance at winning. I know that seems rude, but if you don't want to do that, then do like vote for vote. And you could basically get someone to vote you, and then you vote for them. So you're still getting a vote unless they're lying to you. So yeah. Well, the ball's gonna start soon. Looks like that person's stuck. the heck? I think this server is broken, but I'll just wait. Apparently the ball's out here. Okay. So, basically, dance with people. Be nice to them. I'm going to pause the recording, and I'll be back when voting begins. Okay, voting is going to begin, and so, yeah. This girl wants me to vote for her, and this person wants to take a picture of me. I don't know why. Like, I don't really know them. Unless they somehow know what my channel is, even though I only have like 15 subscribers. But yeah. So, okay. Okay, now I need to find the person. That's her. And I don't think many people are gonna vote for her, so I'll do that for her. I vote for people that I don't think others are going to vote for because I feel bad for them. So. I'm just trying to cheer up this person who said they don't win because they're ugly. And let's see who wins. Probably not going to be me because I haven't used the strategies that I've gone over really. So, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, another way to win is to dress up as a boy. People are more likely to vote for boys because I want to date them. For some reason. I hate it when people say that they don't think they're gonna win and they still win. Like, they're literally just looking for sympathy. Okay, now I'm gonna do my outro. That's it for this video. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, that's it for today. Expect, a new camping video to come out very soon. Bye!